Hi, I'm Rachel Vitulo and welcome to How To Hair. For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a ripple wave with a flat iron. The way I'm creating this look is with my 11 Australia iron. One thing that I love about this iron is that you can control the temperature on it. When we're working with smaller sections of hair, we don't want to have the temperature up at 210. So what I've done is turned the temperature down to 160, and also because we're going to be moving the iron slowly through the hair, we don't want to have too much heat on our hair at the one time. I'm going to be working with my center part. So I'm just going to continue that all the way down to the nape of the neck. And then I'm going to clip this side away. The first section I'm going to be taking is at the nape of the neck. I'm going to clip this hair out of the way. We want to make sure that the entire time we're working the iron through the hair, that the flat iron stays horizontal. So we're going to rotate down towards the floor and then up towards the roof. And then down towards the floor and up towards the roof, all the way down to the tip. Taking our next section at the top of the ear, we want to make sure that the sections we take aren't too big. Because if we're working with a lot of hair at the one time, the hair can easily push out of the flat iron. Once again, rotating down towards the floor and up towards the roof. And continuing this motion all the way to the tip. As I'm working the flat iron down my hair, the tension I have is very, very loose. So we don't want to hold the plates down too tight on the hair. If we do that, then it'll be really hard to move the iron through the hair. My next section is going to be at the top of the ear. So still continuing with the horizontal sections, and we're working those horizontal sections all the way up to the top. Once again, making sure that our flat iron stays horizontal as we work down the hair. The reason why I've split my hair down the center and clipped this one side away is because working with the back of the head sometimes can be a bit tricky with both hands in the back. So by taking your section down the center and clipping this side away, the back section here we can push forward and we're able to reach that section a lot easier when we're creating our movement. Once this side is all complete, we're going to jump on over to the other side and continue the exact same motion. Once I've created the movement in my hair, I'm using my 11 Australia wide tooth comb and I'm going to comb my hair through from root to tip. Now I've loosened up all my movement, I'm just going to get my hands in my hair and just bring that air back into it so it won't sit too flat. We want this look to be really, really textured, so by using your hands to loosen all of that movement up just adds to that texture. And to set the ripple wave, I'm taking the 11 Australia Give Me Hold Flexible Hairspray and we're going to spray from root to tip. When you're finishing a look with a hairspray, my best advice is to spray in short, sharp squirts from roots to tips. What that's going to do is make sure that you get an even amount of product all through your hair. And that is how you create a ripple wave with a flat iron.